Hey, it's PA Bearded Biker back with you here. We're back in the PA Bearded Biker garage, and the mail just went, and let's go and see what's out there for us. There's a large cardboard box here. I already know what it is, but or at least have a good idea. There it is. Let's go ahead and grab it and take it back into the garage and see what we got. Okay, we'll open this box up. Okay, it's just what I thought it was. Okay, these are my new crash bars. Hopefully I never need them. But the main reason why I'm putting these on my bike is so I can put highway pegs on. So I can make my ride a little more comfortable. So here they are. In order to install these highway bars, crash bars, whatever you want to call them, first thing we're gonna have to do, and I've seen some of these videos too, how they tell you to do this and everything, but I'm gonna actually go step by step and show you. I'm gonna have to take this horn out. I'm gonna have to disconnect the wire leading to the horn, and then there's a bracket back that the horn is attached to, and that bracket's going to have to come off, and in order to do that you got to take these two screws out. So as you can see, there's like 3 screws holding the bracket on for the horn. I'm not gonna have to take those 3 screws out. All I'm gonna have to do is take those 2 bigger silver screws out, and what that connects to is the stabilizer arm for the engine, and that is for vibration, trying to cut down on vibration. The top part will fit in there, and of course they supplied the hardware to go with that, I believe, I hope. And then the bottom part, never mind the mud, but I'll get that cleaned off, and the bottom just screws into there, those 2 screws. So yeah, it should be fairly easy. I hate to say that because it never is, but I'm also going to put some Loctite on the new screws that are going in there, just to be sure they stay in there. Just one of the precautions I want to take. So alright, we'll go ahead and get started. Yeah, those are on there pretty tight. Okay, there's that bolt. Now, have to go and get the crash bars. Okay, what happened was the bolts that come out of the Sportster, our regular US 3/8 thread, 3/8 to 16 thread. The fasteners that the company sent with the crash bars are metric, and of course they're not going to work. So I had to go out to my local Tractor Supply store and get a couple. These are about the same length as the original, maybe a touch longer, but they're the right thread, so that's going to make all the difference, of course. So we'll go ahead and get this assembled and try it out. Okay, I've decided to just reuse the first set of bolts here, the original ones that came out of the motorcycle. I'm going to go ahead and reuse those, and like I said, I'm going to put some thread locker on. And what I'm using is Loctite 243 thread locker. It's blue. Okay, now for the finishing touches, which is putting the horn back on, hooking it back up, and we got to put these 3 little screws in to hold the horn in there. Then we got to hook up the electric to it, and we'll give it a try. And the horn works. So there you have it, folks. Everything's done, everything looks good, and alright, that'll be it.